Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Balaji and today we will see how to completely uninstall Firebase CLI. I want to install a fresh Firebase CLI and set up a cleanly. So I am going to uninstall the existing Firebase CLI. First of all, open the command prompt on your computer. You can do this by searching command prompt in the start menu and click on it. Check whether Firebase CLI is installed or not, and if installed, to see which version you currently using. So for that you can type command firebase hyphen version. So here as you can see here, it shows the version number. In my case it's showing 14.45.00. So this is my version Firebase CLI version number which is installed in my system, and I am currently using this version of the CLI. Now let's proceed to uninstall Firebase CLI from your system. For that we need to run some commands. First we will remove the CLI from globally which is installed package globally, okay, in your system. For that, type the following command like npm uninstall -g firebase tools and press enter. To execute this command, this will remove the globally installed Firebase CLI packages from your system. Here, as you can see here, like remove the 695 packages in 6 seconds. Okay, so this means that all Firebase CLI related packages we have been successfully removed. Okay, sometime Firebase CLI may also be installed locally on your system. So we need to remove this as well. For that, you can run this command npm uninstall Firebase tools. Okay, and execute this command. This command removes all locally installed Firebase CLI packages. In my case, if you see a message like removed 0 packages, it means there were no local installation of a Firebase in my system. So here using this step, we are remove all Firebase CLI related packages globally as well as locally. CLI is removed from both local and global installations on your system. So now we can double check that the Firebase CLI has been fully uninstalled and confirm whether anything additional is needed. To check Firebase is still present, so run the following command like firebase hyphen version. So here you can see the error message like Firebase is recognized not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. So that means the Firebase CLI has been successfully uninstalled from your system. Now Firebase CLI depends on node. So let's check the node version which currently installed on your system. For that we need to run some commands. So run first command to find out which version is installed in your system. Node hyphen version. So using this command we can find out which version of node is currently installed. So here we can see version 20.8.0. So this is the version of node. We can also check the version of node package manager npm. For that run command npm hyphen version. So here you can see npm version also. So if you are planning to reinstall everything, it's good practice to uninstall Node.js as well. So for that, I will first exit command prompt, open the control panel on your computer. So click on programs and then click uninstall programs. So here you can locate the Node.js in the list. So here I am selecting Node.js and click on uninstall. So here I am following the on-screen instruction to uninstall the Node.js. So here you can see the uninstalling process will start. So once Node.js is uninstalled, we will check again the Node.js is uninstalled or not correctly. So here you can see uninstallation is complete. So we can check again is uninstalled or not correctly. For that, open the command prompt and run command node hyphen hyphen version again. So if you are see similar error message like before, so here you can see node is not recognized as in internal or external command. So that means the Node.js is uninstalled successfully from your system. And that's it. We have completely removed Firebase CLI and Node.js from our system for preparing it for a fresh installation of Firebase CLI and Node.js. So if this video helpful for you, so please like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. So until then, keep learning and keep coding and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.